It is a constant trying to maintain your garden and keep things weed free. And sometimes you can pull things by hand. Sometimes it's just too much. In this case, it's too much for me. So I'm going to get these beds ready and get them planted. Welcome to K&D's Homestead. I'm Donna. I'm in my front garden. The first thing that I did, I took the weed eater and I weeded all in the beds. I pulled the big stuff, but I weeded all of the little stuff. Like, it was thick in weeds, way too much for me to pull by hand. So what my plan is, I'm going to take my big propane torch and propane tank, and I'm going to burn everything in that bed now that I've got it weeded. I'm going to burn everything in that bed, and then I'm going to use my battery powered tiller and till that, and then burn those roots that I till up. And the bed is this much, most of them are this much at least shy of soil, so I'm going to have to add soil, and I'll do that from my compost pile and get these beds ready so that I can plant things. I've got some things in the garden or in the greenhouse held over that I've just not had anywhere to put, and that's where I'm going to set those plants out. Some of them are peppers, some are tomatoes. I don't remember everything that's in there, but anyways, I need to get these beds ready, and that's what I'm going to work on for right now. And if I can get that done soon, then I can move on and do some other things. There's 5 total that are 4 of them are budded to each other, but they're all this thick in grass and weeds all the way down. So I'm going to burn these up and get these ready for planting. This is the propane tank that I'm going to use. It's kind of large, but my smaller 30-pound tanks are empty, and I borrowed this from my husband. And this is my torch. So I have it connected to the tank, and it's going to burn all this mess away. This bed is done for the first go round. This is a 4-foot by 16-foot bed. I've burned all of the weeds. Now this method will burn the weeds and the weed seeds if done properly. And what I'm going to do is take my little tiller that I can get in this bed, and I'm going to till and then burn again in case there's any weed seeds or roots or anything like that that I don't want in this bed. There's a few large roots like this right here. I'm just going to dig that out with the shovel. But you can see how low the bed is in soil. I'll fill it up with soil, and then I will top it with some mulch, and that will keep the weeds out. This took me about 20 minutes for this one bed. Okay, so I got these 3 boxes in a row burned, but that's just a surface burn. It got all of the weeds and grasses and things like that off of the top, but that's not good enough. So what I am doing, I took the the tiller and tilled it, and you can see I brought up a lot of roots that did not get burnt. So I'm going to burn again and burn these roots. Okay, I've got one box completely finished, and I've topped off the soil. And by the way, all the soil in these boxes and the boxes in the back, I think I said it in a previous video, but this is my soil that I made. Every bit, 100%. All my soil is made from composting leaves and grass from my mowing. I collect it and pile it up and turn it with the tractor once or twice a week. Is this soil not beautiful? It's rich, it's black, and I did notice a lot of, I'll wait on that truck to go by. There's a lot of worms in this soil, earthworms. Is this not gorgeous? Now this is just one box. I still have to do these other boxes. I got this one burned, but I have not tilled it or added the new soil. See how low it is in the box? I've got to top that off. But burning took 20 minutes per box. But moving all of this soil and tilling did take time, so pretty much the day is over with. I don't have a lot of time left to do much, so I'll have to come back tomorrow. But this box is ready to plant in, and maybe I can get another box or two. These are smaller boxes here. I'm hoping I can get those done tomorrow. And then I have two more over here. These are still full of grass and weeds, these two boxes. So one box at a time. I'm going to go ahead and plant probably my peppers in this. I don't know, I might put tomatoes. I've got tomatoes and peppers, but I've got more tomatoes than I do peppers because I planted peppers in the back garden. So I don't know, but I don't have trellising out here for the tomatoes. Maybe I'll put the peppers here. I don't know. There are a couple of puzzling things. I've picked up several handful of pieces of this cloth. I don't know where that came from in my soil, and some sticks. I don't know where they came from either. But anyways, I just love this soil. Does that not look good? I hope you found this video interesting. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hitting the like button. Share the video with your friends, or share my channel with your friends. And thank you for being here, visiting, and I will see y'all on the next video. Have a great evening, y'all. Bye-bye.